us. Let the bridge down, the sun is gonna wake us. 'Cause somebody's been messing around with me, and I don't know, but I'm thinking maybe we could run into summer. The hotter weather's always cool when we're together. The sun is brighter when it shines from the sky. Down to you and I, down to you and I. It's brighter when it's you and I. You and I. Let the music play, it's time to start the dancing. Sound the new day, 'cause it's time to take some chances. When somebody's been messing around with you, grab your shoes, 'cause I was thinking maybe we could run into summer. The hotter weather's always cool when we're together. The sun is brighter when it shines from the sky. Down to you and I, down to you and I. It's brighter when it's you and I. On the road, just living life with dreams as big as a Texas sky. Like a summer breeze in a warm July. There's you and I. Somebody's been messing around with us. I don't know, but I'm thinking maybe we could run into summer. The hotter weather's always cool when we're together. The sun is brighter when it shines from the sky. Down to you and I, down to you and I. It's brighter when it's you and I. You and I. Oh, you and This is crazy, unexpected, but it is amazing. It's the very thing that you prayed for, been waiting for. Next thing I know, you're standing at the door. Now it's open, and you are even more than I was hoping. I waited for the one, and you're my someone right through day and night. Laughing or fight, I'm staying by your side. Baby, you know that I know that you know it's maybe it's time to make time now to show it right here. I wrote a song so I can make it clear. I'm not gonna let another minute pass by. I don't want you to wonder why, so here it is. Baby, I'm in love with you. It's your kindness, you're like a hidden gem, your beauty's timeless. You're everything, my everything, it's me and you. Ooh, yeah, it's true, once one is two, now let me follow through. And baby, I know that you know that I've known it, so maybe it's time, yeah, it's time that I've told it right here. I wrote a song so I can make it clear. I'm not gonna let another minute pass by. I don't want you to wonder why, so here it is. Baby, I'm in love with you. I know that if it has some work, then it takes some work. So I'm working for you, and I know I gotta put you first to make it last. Baby, I know that you know that I waited, but now the time is right, and it feels good to say it right here. I wrote a song so I can make it clear. I'm not gonna let another minute pass by. I don't want you to wonder why, so here it is. Baby, I'm in love with you. You're amazing, and I'm in love with you. Feels good to say it. Oh, I'm in love with you. downside of being up is my inside is empty of the one thing my heart truly needs. When I feel invincible, a million miles from miserable, it's always all about me. I don't know why I don't love you like I should, like you would. Through bad and good, oh funny how we figure out where happiness is found. In the midst of this sadness, I'm closer to you now. That's the upside of down, the upside of down. It's all switched around. I lost and I found the upside of down. You are more in my less, you are strength in my weakness. I'll never go back again. And then your sunshine ends the rain, and I return to my old ways. Why am I a fair weather friend? I wanna be the one to love you like I should, like you would. Through the bad and good, oh funny how we figure out where happiness is found. In the midst of this sadness, I'm closer to you now. That's the upside of tragedies, knowing you're holding my heart always, always. I may be down, but I'm finding there's joy in the pain, in the pain. Funny how we figure out where happiness is found. In the midst of this sadness, I'm closer to you now. Oh, funny how we figure out where happiness is found. In the midst of this sadness, I'm closer to you now. That's the upside of down, the upside of down. It's all switched around. I lost and I found the upside of down, the upside of down. It's all switched around. I lost and I found the upside of down. I can see you lost your way. It's just easier to hide, but he sees inside your soul, where your past cannot define. You've been heading down this road, and you don't know who you are, but he knows what's in your thoughts, and he feels what's in your heart. You could run till you can't find home, sail till you can't see land. There is no place you could go. You could fall till you're out of hope, chase things that never last. You could never run too far. Love will find you where you are. So you're feeling all alone, but you are never out of sight. with His mercy in His eyes. You could run till you can't find home, sail till you can't see land. There is no place you could go. You could fall till you're out of hope, chase things that never last. You could never run too far. Love will find you. No height, no depth could ever separate us from the power of His great love. You could run till you can't find home, sail till you can't see land. There is no place you could go. You could run till you can't find home, sail till you can't see land. There is no place you could go. You could fall till you're out of hope, chase things that never last. You could never run too far. Love will find you where you are. The other day, I was stuck in line, staring off in space. Some things were on my mind, and then she walked right by. I swear I fell in love just in a moment's time. I knew she was the one, but my nerves came fast and my words too slow. She walked on by, but I never found someone that I can't let go. I've never had the feeling that you have when you know that one sure thing, so real is so true. Guess that I've got a little loving left to do. So there I was again on a different day, walking down the street a couple blocks away, and then this girl appeared I'd never seen before. She must be right for me, someone I can't ignore. And my nerves came fast and my words too slow. She walked on by, so I never found someone that I can't let go. I've never had the feeling that you have when you know that one sure thing, so real and so true. Guess that I've got a little loving left to do. When will I find my someone? Will I have the heart to tell her every line that I have played in my head, waiting for this day? I don't wanna have to say no, 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 that I never found someone that I can't let go. I've never had the feeling that you have when you know that one sure thing, so real, it's so true. I guess that I've got a little loving left. I guess that I've got a little loving left. I guess that I've got a little loving left to do. Little loving left to do. Yeah. I see you in the sunrise, I see you in the rain, I see you in the laughter, I feel you through the pain. Everything that you have made is beautiful. Oh my God, I can't believe my eyes. But in all of this, to think that you would think of me makes my heart come alive. Your love is like a mighty fire deep inside my bones. I feel like I could climb 1,000 mountains all at once, and I never have to wonder if somebody cares for me. I love the maker, and the maker loves me. And the maker loves me. And I see you, you are creation. I see the grandness of your majesty. The universe is singing all your glory. I can't believe you live inside of me. Everything that you have made is beautiful. this, to think that you would think of me makes my heart come alive. Your love is like a mighty fire deep inside my bones. I feel like I could climb 1,000 mountains all at once, and I never have to wonder if somebody cares for me. I love the maker, and the maker loves me. More than just some words upon a page, you show me in a million ways. But there is one that stands above them all, hands of creation on a cross. The maker, yeah. Your love is like a mighty fire deep inside my bones. I feel like I could climb 1,000 mountains all at once,